Every year, Mannington styling team works closely with sales, marketing, R&D, and manufacturing to develop new residential flooring products. You'll see flooring in new formats and shapes, as well as decorative ornate patterns that are the highlight of our new products for the coming year.
It starts with inspiration and research. Inspiration can come from natural or abstract material, architecture, or fashion. It's amazing how so many different types of materials can translate into a look that works well in flooring. Research starts with what's popular in home fashion and color trends. Knowing these trends helps us create flooring that coordinates with the many styles found in today's homes, whether they're rustic, eclectic, or contemporary.
As Mannington designers, we take lots of pride in attention to detail. We may start the product development process with an artistic rendering or a piece of natural material like Carrara marble or reclaimed wood from an old barn. Then we digitally translate that material into designs and colors that work for flooring. This is a critical part of the process. We are meticulous about making sure colors and visuals meet our standards at each stage, from early development all the way through production.
Beautiful flooring can make a room come alive. Mannington's ultimate goal is to make a product that will look great in your home. To help you visualize what it could look like, we create settings like these designed to show you how flooring is a key part of any decorating scheme. You can use these rooms as inspiration for your own remodeling projects, creating a space that reflects your own personal style.
Mannington floors are the products of inspiration, research, attention to detail, and a commitment to quality.